Hi there everybody, just a quick video on how to work out a number of different averages. So we're going to look at mode, we're going to look at range, and we're going to look at mean. Alright, the mode and range are very straightforward, so I won't take long on that, and I will focus on the mean averages if you've not seen it before. But here we go. So the mode is basically the one that is most common, the one that appears the most time. Alright, so in terms of averages, if you're given a set of data, I'm looking for the one that is the most common, effectively. So there can be more than one mode, I can have more than one, and of course I can have no mode if there isn't something that's more than one. So looking at this set of data, I've got 475, 42654, so which one appears the most times? Of course it's 4, alright, so 4 is the mode, alright, so that's the mode, one appears the most times, okay. What about this one? Well, I'm looking at it very carefully. I've got 2 2s and 2 9s, so that means my mode would be 2 and 9. Alright, so 2 and 9 appear the most times, so I've got 2 modes in that particular case. And then if I look at this set of data, well, I've got 8, 1, 7, 9, 13, 4 and 6, and there is no value which appears more than anything else. So rather than listing the whole lot, we would simply say that there is no mode, okay? So that is the mode. Most common, there can be just one value, there can be more than one value, or of course if there isn't anything that stands out, then there is no mode, okay? It's relatively straightforward. Right, the range, so thinking about you again as your set of data that you potentially have got, your range is the difference between your smallest value and your highest value, okay? So there we go, so the range is the highest number, take away the lowest number, all right? So 375,92654, well, what's the biggest number? 9. What's the smallest number? 2. So those are the two key numbers that I'm after. Everything else fits in between. So my range is 9 take away 2, which is 7. Well, that means there's a range of numbers between 2 and 9, which is 7. Okay, so let's have a look at this one. So same kind of process. So I'm looking for the highest and the smallest. Well, the highest is 16. Smallest is 5. Oh no, it's 4. There you go. Smallest is 4. Missed it. So it's going to be 16 take away 4, which is going to give me a range of 12. All right. So there we go. So that's mode and range. Right, the mean is the one that most people think of averages being. This is where you add them all up and then you divide by however many there are. Okay, and often it comes in a table, but obviously that's a different lesson. So that's the mean from a frequency table. But if you're just asked for given a set of numbers, then of course we need to add them up and just divide by however many there are. So here we go, as a very straightforward example. I've got 2, 6, 5 and 7. So what we're going to do is going to add them all up, which gives you a total of 20, and then divide by however many there are. Well, there's 4 of them, so it's 20 divided by 4, so my average is 5. And of course that number you would expect to sit right pretty much in the middle of your data that you've currently got. So here we've got an awful lot more numbers, so let's kind of count them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to add them all up, which apparently is 57. You want to check that one, but it's 57. And then because it's 10 numbers, I'm going to do 57 divided by 10, which is going to be 5.7. All right, so that is my mean, essentially. If you feel you need a bit of practice on those, please visit maths-school.co.uk. There is a link at the bottom of the page for you to have to get to it. Alternatively, you're more than welcome to obviously revisit the video at any time you like. Thanks very much for listening.